The animal of the day, April 17th, is the Scarlet Ibis or the binomial name Eudocimus rubare. Type: wading bird. Diet class: omnivore. Average lifespan: around 15 years. Size: 20 to 24 inches or 50.8 to 61 centimeters in body length. Wingspan: 36 to 38 inches or 91.4 to 96.5 centimeters. Weight: 1.1 to 1.5 pounds or 0.5 to 0.7 kilograms. Population status currently April 17, 2025, least concern. Population estimate: unknown. Native lands: South America and the Caribbean. Primary habitat: mangrove swamps, mudflats, mangrove forests, and river deltas. Main predators: birds of prey, crocodiles, alligators, foxes, wild cats, and dogs. Diel activity: diurnal. Species age: at most 15 million years old. Collective noun: a wedge, congregation, or stand. Notes: the Scarlet Ibis, also known as the red ibis, is a species of ibis among the family Threskiornithidae, and it inhabits the tropical region of South America and parts of the Caribbean. The Scarlet Ibis is one of the two national birds of Trinidad and Tobago, with its Tupi Guarani name, Guara, being a part of the names of several municipalities along the Brazilian coast. In traditional Linnean taxonomy, the Scarlet Ibis is classified as a unique species, but some scientists reclassify it as a subspecies of a more general American ibis species, along with its close relative, the American white ibis, which are so similar that they are sometimes considered to be conspecifics, with the only difference being their pigmentation. Adult Scarlet Ibis plumage is completely scarlet, though some feathers may show some various tints and shades, but their wingtips bear a rich inky black or occasionally a dark blue, which is only found on the longest primaries. Scarlet ibises have red bills and feet, however the bill may sometimes be blackish, especially towards the end, and the bill is long, narrow, and decurved. A juvenile Scarlet Ibis can be a mix of gray, brown, and white, and as it grows, a heavy diet of red crustaceans will produce the scarlet coloration, which will begin to show after the second molt. Male Scarlet Ibises are slightly larger than females and also possess a longer bill, around 20% longer than a female's. Though the Scarlet Ibis will spend most of its time on foot or wading through water, they are a very adept flyer and are highly migratory, easily capable of long-distance flight, and will fly in a classic V formation. The Scarlet Ibis will use its distinctive long and thin bill to probe for food in soft mud or under plants. While they are popularly thought to only consume shrimp, they don't exclusively consume it. Rather, they will also consume insects such as scarabs and ground beetles, as well as water beetles and water bugs. The Scarlet Ibis does still consume a lot of shrimp, but will consume additional items as well, like ragworms, mollusks, small crabs, crayfish, and other crustaceans. This large consumption of red shellfish is what grants the Scarlet Ibis its scarlet coloration, since it gains a large amount of astaxanthin, a carotenoid. The Scarlet Ibis will also consume frogs, small snakes, and cichlids, as well as occasionally fruits and seeds. Every day is a new animal, so subscribe for more.